Divide 499 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 0. So we put down this 9 and 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting it is 1. Again we put down this 9 and it is 19. So 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 499 divided by 2 is 249 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.